Okay, we're walking down the street. We're gonna go see what the kids have done in the park. I think someone built an igloo. See? Yeah, you can see. Someone built an igloo. Here's the road. Here's a sidewalk. Look at this. Someone was shoveling. I'm not ready to do that yet. If you look at it, snow is just falling off of the trees. It's like heavy weights. Look at this. Look at this snow falling. The shovel is broken. Oh, there was someone inside there. Look. Shovel's broken because I was breaking up some ice with it, and stupid me, I decided to bang the sidewalk with a metal shovel, and now the ends are curved up. Yeah, that's gonna be real fun to use. Well, I got kinda a lot of snow in my boots now, so I'm gonna try. Look, there is literally no sidewalk. This is the driveway that was shoveled out. There is no sidewalk. That is like, if you look at that, that is a lot. It's all white. You can't even see, but watch. It goes up to my knee. I'm gonna try and get back in the house. Let's see how this goes. Let's try and follow in the footsteps that I fell in. Okay. 1. Get in this. Ah, can't touch that. Oh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. The steps are completely covered. You don't know what is a step and what isn't. I am so cold because there's snow down my boots. I'm climbing this mountain. Oh, geez. Okay. So I made it up the steps. I miss you guys both. Naoko, Ryan, I love you. Hope to see you soon in August when it's nice and warm and there's no snow. I don't want to take care of all of that. There's a lot of snow. We got like 14 inches. We said we're supposed to get 14 inches, but we got like a foot and a half maybe. I don't know. We got a lot. Bye.